I'm Steve Hadrill. I'm the Sales Director of Newcon Laser. I'm the Key Account Manager for Unison tube bending equipment as well. Unison's a British machine tool builder. We're based in Scarborough. Our core products are tube bending machinery. We started off 51 years ago as TJP Electronics, and then in 1994 we introduced the world's first all-electric tube bending machine, which replaces the old methods, hydraulics, with servo motors and mechanical drives, giving you repeatable, accurate results every time. At the time when we did it, it was groundbreaking. Everybody's pretty much copied it now, but you know, it's an excellent product, and we continue to build those machines to this very day. We've got a large range of products on our stand here. We've got the Unison tube bending machines, which are absolutely top drawer premium product. We've got new form wire bending machine. It's new equipment to our business. Unison Limited, you know, we're looking to diversify our product range. We actually saw that we had to be very careful about the brands that we associated ourselves with. We're a premium UK machine tool builder, and we only really wanted to have relationships with similar companies from wherever they are in the world. We found Newcon as a product to be excellent quality. They make a fantastic range of fibre laser cutting machines, flatbeds, tube laser, and 5-axis machines. There's a lot of crossover in what we do. People who buy tube bending are in fabrication, and fabrication needs lasers. We also, as I've said previously, the Newcon have a very good range of tube laser machines. As an all-encompassing product portfolio, you know, that's what Newcon gives us. It's another piece in the jigsaw in giving our customers everything they need. For me personally, I've done Mac since the early 2000s. This is the premium place to exhibit if you're a machine tool builder in the UK. We always get a good result from exhibiting at Mac.